In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default font style in Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to make text easier to read or just want to personalize your browsing experience, adjusting your browser's font settings is a straightforward process. First, open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see three dots arranged vertically, and this represents the Chrome menu. Click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to various settings and features within Google Chrome, a handy tool to familiarize yourself with. Now, from this drop-down menu, locate and click on Settings. This directs you to Chrome's main settings page, an area where you adjust everything from appearance to privacy settings. It's worth spending some time exploring this page on your own, but for today's purpose, we'll focus on font settings. Once you're on the settings page, scan down the list and find the section labeled Appearance. Here, you'll see options related to the look and feel of your browser. Within this section, you'll find an option that says Customize Fonts. Click on this to move on to the next step. At this point, you're on the Fonts setting page. It's here you get to exercise some creative control over how text appears on web pages. Chrome offers several adjustable features. You'll see sliders for font size, which let you set both maximum and minimum font sizes according to your preference. Feel free to adjust these sliders until the text on web pages is comfortable for you. If you're someone who prefers specific font styles, look below the sliders. You'll find headings for standard font, serif font, sans serif font, and fixed width font. Click on any of these to choose from a list of available fonts. There's quite a variety, so take your time finding one that suits your needs. Remember, each font type serves a different purpose. For example, a serif font tends to be more traditional with slight projections at the end of letters, whereas a sans serif font looks cleaner and more modern without those projections. A fixed width font is uniform in spacing, great for coding or when precision is required in letter alignment. After making your selections, you'll find that any changes take effect immediately. Open a new tab and browse to different web pages to see how your new settings look. And that's all there is to it. You've just customized your web browsing experience. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. See you next time.